All right, we're just going to go over one example on section 3.1.3 interest extra practice, and we're going to look at page 13, number 2 here. And so it says, on June 1st, Brooke deposited $8,241.78 into a credit union account that pays 5.5% annual interest compounded daily. So you always want to underline the compound part and how often. So this is compounded every single day. What's the balance in 31 days? So therefore, as I go to do this problem, again, 5.5% annual means she's getting 5.5% over the entire year. But since it's compounded daily, she's getting a piece of that every single day. So you have to think, how many days are there in 1 year? Well, there's 365 days in 1 year. So I have to take 5.5% divided by 365. So on my calculator, 5.5 divided by 365, and I get 0.015068, and I'll round that a little bit. So I'll round it to 0.01507%. Now remember, we said keep at least 3 significant non-zero digits, so this is just a placeholder, 1, 2, and then I kept 2 more after that. So 1, 2, 3, 4. If you did 0.0151, that is okay as well. Now, remember, that's your percent increase each day. So you then have to take that number and add 100% to it. So we'd have to do 100% plus 0.01507%. So that would be 100.01507%. And we always have to make that then into a decimal to make it a multiplier. So I'm moving that 2 places to the left. So my multiplier is going to equal 1.0001507, which takes us to our equation of y equals $8,241.78 times our multiplier of 1.0001507 to the x. And remember, x is the unit of time, however it's compounded. So since this was compounded daily, x equals number of days. So therefore, since we want to know the balance after 31 days, I would go ahead and do $8,241.78 times 1.0001507 to the 31st power. And if we use our calculator now, 8241.78 times 1.0001507 to the 31st power. And we get $8,280.37. Remember, we're talking about money, so we're always rounding to do 2 decimal places. Now, if you got this huge number, you want to double check your work. You're not going to make a ton of money on interest after just 1 month, okay? So always check your work. You're not going to be a millionaire off of interest in just 1 month. So that should be our correct answer. And then if you look at the Desmos activity that goes along with this, this would be number 2 here. What I expect you to type in then you can go ahead and use this as your math type. Y equals $8,241.78 times 1.0001507 to the x. Again, it's the equation to model it for any number of days. And then the second answer would be your money answer. So $8,280.37. And then just press submit. It is not self-checking, but that's how you're going to type in your answers.